May it please, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, the 192nd Law Commission report of India had recommended for passing of the Vexatious Litigants Act 92.
Okay. Vexatious Litigation Act.
Yes, Vexatious Litigants Act.
What it's.
In that, certain punishments were prescribed for
Vexatious litigation.
yes, for vexatious litigation. However, it did not see legislative daylight. Now, what I'm trying to say is that if at all, if that act has seen legislative daylight, then perhaps my case would have been a fit case under that act, my lord. Now, my lord, I may be allowed to take you to the briefs of the case, my lord, to the facts of the case in brief, my lord. Now, the Naga Club, my lord, we even read it in school, the Naga Club, because it was the first association or club which was formed by the Nagas for the first time, way back in 1918.
Is
No.
the petitioner in the instant
Yes,
case
my lord, my lord.
represented by?
Its president, my lord. Yes, we are registered as a trust, my lord. We have also annexed the trust registration certificate, my lord. The order passed. It is at Annexure 1. The certificate is issued by the Judicial Magistrate First Class Kohima at page 22, my lord. Annexure 1. Office of the Judicial Magistrate First Class, Government of Nagaland, Kohima, Nagaland, certificate. This is to certify that the deed of Naga Trust Club, headquarters Naga Club Building, opposite Kohima Local Ground, Kohima Satar, Kohima, Nagaland, 797001 is registered at this office under registration number so and so, dated so and so, and the requisite stamp duty of rupees so and so, only is hereby duly affixed. Now, my lord, the Naga Club, they are the owners of a land and building situated, my lord, opposite to the Kohima Local Ground. Now, my lord, in 1983, the Naga Students Federation, through its president, wrote an application to the Naga Club on the subject application for renting the building of Naga Club. It was written on 4th of April 1983 by the then president of the Naga Students Federation. My lord, I may be allowed to read the body
At page?
at page 23, my lord, the very next page. I have also enclosed the type copy, my lord, at page 24.
Yes.
Under the writing pad of the Naga Students Federation, it was written, my lord, reference number so and so, dated 4 April 1983, to the General Secretary, Naga Club, Kohima, Nagaland. Subject, application for renting the building of Naga Club. Sir, on the subjects given above, I have the honor to bring following few lines for your sympathetic consideration. That, sir, as we are well aware of the fact that NSF is a student organization having no source of regular income. And as a matter of fact, many a times our programs are hampered due to financial stringency. Therefore, your good office is requested to kindly give us the Naga Club building near Civil Secretariat Kohima on rent basis, so as to enable us to utilize the money which we are paying to others for the benefit of our people. Thanking you in anticipation. Signed by the President, Naga Students Federation on 4/4/1983. After that, my lord, an order was passed by that is annexed at page 25, Annexure 3, my lord. by the Naga Club, signed by its General Secretary. The order is a very short order. It reads as follows. The Naga Club authority hereby allots a part of its building, former CCF office, because, my lord, this particular building was formerly occupied by the Forest Department. After the Forest Department, who also paid rent to the Naga Club, the NSF on their application were allotted the building on rent basis to Naga Students Federation with the good consent of mutual understanding under rental basis with effect from the date of issue of this order. So it is written, my lord, in handwriting, rupees 500 only.
Yes.
So on a monthly basis of rupees 500, that particular building belonging to the Naga Club was rented to the Naga Students Federation on 7/4/1983, my lord. Now, my lord, following that, the NSF, except for the first month, they did not make any payments on the rent.
This was in the year 83.
Yes, my lord, 83. Now, to this day, my lord, except for the first month, and when the Naga Club went for demanding rent payments, it was stated that since they are a student organization, they have no source of income, so they are unable to pay. So sometimes 50 rupees was paid, sometimes 100 rupees. But despite that, the Naga Club kept the Naga Students Federation as the tenants, my lord. Now, in 2018, my lord, the Naga Club reached its 100 years, and they wanted to erect a monolith in commemoration of the Centenary Jubilee celebrations at the Naga Club building site. However, my lord, the Naga Students Federation objected. Not only once, twice, but on several occasions. And sometimes they mobilized the college students, the school students. And so when the Naga Club was in a dilemma, some tribe, my lord, some members of some tribe, they came forward. I have also mentioned in my petition, the Lota community, the Sumis, offering the Naga Club monolith to be erected in their area. And Chotsama villagers also came forward. So after thorough deliberation, the Naga Club decided that the monolith will be erected at Chotsama village. Because, my lord, only for the reason that one Mr. Zasipito Naki, he was the first martyr, my lord, to lay down his life for the Naga cause. And it was decided that the Naga Club monolith shall also be erected near the tombstone of Zasipito Naki. As such, my lord, on 29 November 2018, my lord, the monolith was erected, not at the Naga Club building site, not in their own land, but somewhere else, my lord. I have also annexed a photograph taken on that day, my lord, on the day the monolith was erected, at page 27, annexure 4, my lord. Some church leaders, social leaders, and members of the office bearers and members of the Naga Club, my lord, are present in the photo.
Yes.
Now, my lord, the land was originally donated to the Naga Club, given to the Naga Club by the Kohima village. They were the ancestral owners of the plot of land.
Yes.
So the Kohima Village Council, the chairman and the secretary of the Kohima Village Council has also written a letter on 5 December 2019 to the President Naga Club, which I have annexed at page 28, annexure 5. I may be allowed to read it, my lord. These are important documents.
Okay.
Office of the Kohima Village Council
At page?
at page 28, my lord. Office of the Kohima Village Council, reference number so and so, dated 5/12/2019. To President Naga Club, Kohima, Nagaland, subject Naga Club. Sir, thank you for your kind visit to Kohima Village Council on 7th September 2019. The Kohima Village Council had a meeting on 30th November 2019. Belated though, the council wishes to put on record that the Centenary Jubilee celebration monolith of the Naga Club should be erected at the proper site, that is the Naga Club building at Kucheze. That is the, yes, my lord. Present place where the NSF has their office established. The council further wishes to clarify that the entire area of the Naga Club building belongs to the Kohima ancestral land, and therefore the buildings around Naga Club on temporary permit should not be made permanent, as it is under the jurisdiction of Naga Club area only. It is the desire of the Kohima Village Council that no one should distort the history of the Naga Club to suit their own interests, but let historical facts remain as hard facts for posterity. Dated 13 November 2019, signed by the Secretary, Kohima Village Council, as well as the Chairman, Kohima Village Council. So they were the ancestral owners who gave the land to Naga Club, my lord. Now, my lord, on 24th November 2020, at Annexure 6, page 29, my lord, the Chairman Working Committee, Naga Club, wrote a letter to the President of the Naga Students Federation on the subject request for meeting.
Yes.
It's a short letter I may be allowed to read. Sir, referring to the subject cited above, the Working Committee Naga Club would like to have a meeting with the Naga Students Federation concerning the Naga Club building near All Secretariat Complex, Kohima. Relevant documents are enclosed herewith for reference. We would appreciate if the meeting is fixed within December 2020 and look forward to your positive response. However, my lord, there was no intimation from the NSF, my lord. They neither agreed nor disagreed, my lord. As such, despite waiting patiently, my lord, no response came.
This was meeting regarding what matter? No matter has been. This was a simple meeting, invitation for a meeting.
Yes, my lord, my lord, my lord. Exactly, my lord.
How it is relevant today?
Yes, my lord. I just want to state that, my lord, when the meeting was called, my lord, the NSF, they didn't turn up. This is relevant, my lord, in context of the proceeding facts, my lord, that I am going to narrate, my
But
lord.
in this letter, no agenda was mentioned. What is
Yes,
to
my
be
lord.
discussed?
Concerning, my lord, it is written that concerning the Naga Club building.
Okay.
Like to have a meeting with the Naga Students Federation concerning the Naga Club building. So concerning that particular building, my lord, they wanted to have a meeting, my lord. Because, my lord, it's a very old building. The structure is now dilapidated, my lord, by natural wear and tear. So perhaps, my lord, they wanted to erect a new building and perhaps wanted to make some arrangements with the NSF. So, my lord, again, that is after about 10-11 months, on 20 October 2021, another letter was written, my lord, by the Chairman Working Committee Naga Club Kohima to the President Naga Students Federation on the subject request for meeting. I may be allowed to read, my lord.
Yes.
The body, my lord. Sir, with reference to the subject above cited letter, the Working Committee Naga Club Kohima would like to have a meeting with your good authority in the second week of November 2021 to resolve the issue of Naga Club building near Old Secretariat Complex Kohima. So the purpose of the meeting has already been clearly highlighted in this letter, my lord. Here also, my lord, no response came. Now, my lord, Annex 8, this is an important document, my lord. The Naga Club, they are the pata holders of the land and building, my lord.
Yes.
So, pata permit number 10997, under bracket B, my lord. Doc numbers 6656, and the area measures about 9,257 square feet. So it's not a very small plot of land, my lord. 9,257 square feet in the heart of Kohima, my lord. Now, my lord, since the Naga Club wanted to demolish the earlier structures, because not just the NSF office, but there are now some shops, some printing presses, and a caretaker was also occupying 5 or 6 rooms in that building, in that area. So the Naga Club desired that those buildings, all buildings shall be demolished and a new building will be constructed. Therefore, they approached the office of the Kohima Municipal Council, and construction permit, my lord, was given to them on 24 November 2021.
Yes.
It is at Annex 9, page 33, my lord. The type copy is at page 34. Now, my lord, since it became impossible for the Naga Club to have a meeting with the Naga Students Federation, because they have communicated on several occasions, but no meeting could be held. Therefore, eviction notice to vacate the building land was served upon the Naga Students Federation on 12 July 2022. The notice to vacate the Naga Club building is addressed to the President of the Naga Students Federation. And under that notice, my lord, they were given about 45 days, because the letter was written on, the vacation notice was written on 12 July 2022, and they were given time till 27th of August 2022, which is about 45 days to vacate the land and building.
Yes.
This particular eviction notice was also received by the President of the NSF on 13/7/2022, my lord. The receipt is at page 39. Signed under the hand of the President NSF.
Yes.
On the writing pad of the Naga Students Federation. Now, instead of vacating, my lord, the Naga Students Federation issued a clarification in the local dailies, which was published, my lord, on 25th of July 2022 in Nagaland Post, which is the paper having the largest number of circulation in Nagaland among the local dailies. So in that, my lord, they have stated that it was the forest department who were staying there earlier, and it was only through their initiative and intervention. May I read this, my lord?
No, you just tell me the gist.
My lord, my lord.
Otherwise, it will be very.
Yes, my lord, my
lengthy. I have
lord.
other matters. Also.
Yes, my lord.
You
Now-
tell the gist. What was their story?
Their stand was that, my lord, the forest department was in occupation and forest department were refusing to vacate. So it was through the intervention of the Naga Students Federation that the forest department vacated from the building belonging to the Naga Club. And now there was a mutual understanding that even if rent was paid and even if an application was written, there was mutual understanding that the Naga Club, no, the Naga Students Federation shall utilize the premises.
Okay.
And that they have done all the repair and renovation. And because of those, the structure is still standing majestically. Now, my lord, some clarifications were also given by the Naga Club, my lord. But my lord, another important document, my lord, is Annexure 13, page 47.
Yes.
My lord, at page 55, my lord, my apologies. Annexure 15, my lord. Vacation notice. Again, my lord, another notice was issued on 6 March this year, 2023.
Page 50.
Yes, Annexure 15, page 55, my lord.
Yes.
It is written by the chairman and the president, Naga Club, chairman working committee, Naga Club, and the president, Naga Club, to the president of the Naga Students Federation. Vacation notice. Another 45 days was given, my lord. I may be allowed to read, my lord. This is a short notice, my lord. Whereas on spot verification, it is found that you have set up 3 community shops within the premises of the Naga Club building near All Sacred Complex, opposite Kochuzi, Kohima, Satar, Kohima, Nagaland. The Naga Club Executive Council, in its meeting held on 1/6/2022 at Kohima, unanimously decided to begin the reconstruction of our Naga Club building by 1/9/2022 to assert the rightful and distinguished image of the Naga Club by constructing a proper and presentable contemporary building at Kohima headquarters. Therefore, with reference to the Kohima Village Council KVC's order and directive dated 11/2/2023, as enclosed in our earlier vacation notices, you are hereby directed to vacate and remove all aforesaid 3 community shops within the premises of the Naga Club building near All Sacred Complex within 45 days, with effect from 6/3/2023. But this also was not honored, my lord. Some social work was also organized by the Naga Club on 13th of May. But there were obstructions, my lord, for that also. So the Office of the Deputy Commissioner Kohima was approached, and my lord, an order was passed by which some officers, my lord, were put under magisterial duty on that particular day. That is on 13th May 2023, on the day of social work, for cleaning the premises and all this, my lord. Now, my lord, since some people had already vacated, like the former caretaker of Naga Club, who was occupying 4 to 5 rooms, and a restaurant, a printing press, those establishments, they vacated. So about 3 weeks ago, those structures were put down. It was demolished. And since it is in the heart of Kohima town, it was decided that in order not to create public inconvenience, it will be removed, those debris will be removed on the early hours of 27. That is last Saturday, my lord, 5/2023. Now, on 27/5/2023, when the debris of those structures already demolished were decided to be removed by heavy machinery and vehicle, my lord, it was also decided.
The rooms which were occupied by Naga Student Federation was not demolished.
No, my lord, that on 27th, my lord, since vacation notice has already been served to them, my lord, some portion, my lord,
Which were vacated by other tenants.
other tenants as well as, my lord, under, my lord, occupation, my lord, some portion of the building which were under active occupation by the Naga Students Federation, my
That
lord.
was also
Yes, my lord.
demolished.
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
Now, my lord,
When
on Saturday, 27/5/2023, my lord, that is day before yesterday.
But they were having their properties articles, their office articles.
I believe so. I believe so. Yes, my
In
lord.
spite of that, it was demolished.
My lord, my lord. But, my lord, not the entire structure. Parts of the building, they are also still standing. The Kohima Press Club has also its office there. The ANSU also has its office there. All those, it was not touched.
What is the law, civil law, which is applicable to relationship between tenants and owners?
My lord, that is the issue, my lord.
In Kohima.
My lord, that is to the best of my knowledge, my lord, we don't have tenancy laws here, my lord. Like in Delhi, they have Rents Act, Tenancy Act, in other parts of India, my lord.
Then how the unwilling tenant would be lawfully evicted?
Yes,
You have to approach civil courts.
my lord, my lords. Now, my lords, lordship, the Naga Students Federation, that very day, my lord, they filed FIR.
When did you demolish the building?
27/5, yes,
In the
2023.
early morning.
Yes, my lord. In order not to create public inconvenience, my lord, because
You demolished that portion also you demolished that portion which was vacated by other tenants
Yes, my lord.
as well as the portion which was under occupancy of the Naga Student Federation?
Yes, my lord, my lord,
Okay.
my lord. Because eviction notice has already been served.
Before they are vacating it, on their own.
Because my lord, yes, since last year, we have served eviction notice upon them, my lord. And the time that we have given lapsed on
But you
27th of
should have-
August.
You should have approached civil courts for that purpose
My lord, my lord, my lord,
before
my lord, my lord. Lordship.
demolishing on their back, because they were still their tenant, your
Yes,
tenants.
my lord, my lord.
Yes, continue.
Now, Lordship, the FIR was filed under sections 120P, that is criminal
Where is
conspiracy.
the FIR?
The FIR, my lord, we don't have a copy of it, my lord. But we were informed, my lord,
So what is the prayer in this?
because it was
criminal
not served upon us, my lord.
petition?
The
No,
prayer
what you
here
are
is
praying for in this criminal petition,
to quash the criminal proceeding, my lord.
which was
The,
initiated
yes, initiated by,
filing the FIR.
yes, my lord.
You
my
should
lord.
have furnished a copy of FIR.
My lord, that, my lord, the CD may be called, my lord, by this honorable court. Because, my lord, the FIR was not served upon us, my lord. The FIR was filed before the officer in charge of the North Police Station, Kohima,
Okay. FIR was filed on
27/5/2023,
by?
the Naga Students Federation. Before the,
No,
of,
by whom? By some office bearer.
my lord, by the president.
Whether you were named in the FIR.
No, my lord.
How
In
this
the
court-
FIR, it was written that, my lord, some unknown miscreants, my lord, has demolished the NSF office, vandalized the NSF office. And that, my lord, the FIR has been registered under sections 120P, under section 34, 427, and 457. That is criminal conspiracy, common intention, mischief, and lurking house
No.
trespass.
On what basis court will now come to a finding that an FIR was lodged, in fact lodged?
My lord. Now, my
What
lord,
is the material now?
my prayer, my lord, at this stage is that the CD may be called.
In the criminal petition?
Yes, my lord. The FIR may be called by this honorable court, my lord. By exercising powers under section 482, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, the FIR, the criminal proceeding against me, my lord, it is misconceived, my lord. Because, my lord, I,
No, how would this court know that the proceeding is against you? From where you came to know?
my lord,
Because nothing is before, from what materials we will come?
we have also, my lord, we have
Because-
also written a clarification note to the
No, these
officer
are-
in charge, my lord.
These are your documents.
Yes, my lord.
Now you have come before this court for quashing of a criminal proceeding.
Yes,
which
my
was
lord.
instituted on the basis of an purported FIR which was
Yes,
filed by
lordship.
Naga Student
Yes,
Federation.
lordship.
Where is that FIR?
That FIR, lordship, may be called, or my lord, it may be allowed to be produced through the public prosecutor, my lord.
Lordship has rightly. put-
Because, my lord, at this stage, my lord, basing on the FIR, 2 or 3 persons have already been arrested. The anticipatory bail that, my lord, I have also filed, which I intend to move before this honorable court, my lord, after the instant criminal petition, are filed, my lord, because people are being arrested based on the FIR filed on 27/5/2023, my lord. If no
Okay,
cognizance has been
what
taken,
material you have annexed to show that a criminal proceeding has been instituted against in this regard? Because the documents which you have referred to till now
yes,
are only shows about your relationship with Naga Student Federation.
yes, that's true, lordship, yes.
Apart from your oral submission that you demolished the said building on 27/5/22 and thereafter an FIR was lodged.
My
What is
lord.
the material in this.
Lordship, that is the issue, my lord. We have approached, my lord, the police station yesterday, my lord. We were unable to obtain a copy of the FIR, my lord.
Where is the statement? You have mentioned.
No, my lord. And my lord, because they were having a meeting in this regard, my lord, yesterday. So perhaps the officers were busy. But my lord, if a direction can be given, my lord, so that the learned public prosecutor can produce the FIR before this honorable court.
Yes, Mr. Zimomi. You have any other submission?
Yes, my lord. In order to stay the criminal proceedings, my lord.
Now, what to stay?
Yes, my lord.
What is to be stayed?
Then, my lord, in that case, my lord, the learned public prosecutor, my lord, may kindly produce the FIR, my lord, before this honorable court. So that this court may also authenticate that actually the FIR has indeed been filed on 27/5/2023 by the Naga Students Federation.
Yes, Mr. Zimomi.
As, may I please your lordship? Lordship has rightly pointed out, lordship. The crux of the matter here is, lordship. The petitioner is before this honorable court to question set aside the FIR. But however, that has not been annexed in the
Before that,
law.
have you made any statement in your petition that the copies of FIR could not be procured because of this reason?
We have stated,
Where you have stated?
my lord. At paragraph, where is it? Paragraph 2, my lord.
At page,
It starts from page 2, my lord. It's a short paragraph.
it has been reliably learned that one FIR dated so and so. You have referred in Kohima police station case number also.
Yes, my lord. We
Kohima
could
PS
obtain
case.
those information, my lord. But we could not obtain a copy of the FIR.
Yes, Mr. Zimomi.
So lordship, at this stage, notice may be issued, lordship.
Unless, my lord, the criminal proceedings are stayed, my lord.
No, lordship.
My lord. Irreparable damage.
No, let us issue notice now
Lordship.
because we cannot stay a matter about which this court is also not certain what
My lord,
FIR
my
was
lord, my
lodged.
lord, my lord.
Lordship.
Then in that case, my lord, a short date may be given, my lord.
And however, lordship, there is a respondent number 2, lordship.
Yes,
That is
because
in the
respondent
interest of the
number 2 is
respondent
the
number
Naga
2.
Student Federation
Yes,
is
lordship.
also a party.
Yes,
My
lordship.
lord,
They may have to be heard.
my lord,
Lordship.
my lord,
So let me issue notice.
my lord.
Heard Mr. Senti Younger, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. V. Zimomi, learned public prosecutor, Nagaland. This criminal petition has been filed under section 482 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973. Praying for quashing of an FIR dated 27/5/23, purportedly filed by the
Naga Student Federation.
Naga Student Federation, alleging that their office premises and building has been damaged in early hours of 27/5/2023 by unknown miscreants. And accordingly, a case bearing registration, bearing Kohima North PS case number 21/23 was registered under section 457 427, 120B and 34 of the Indian Penal Code. The petitioners have also prayed for quashing of the said criminal proceeding. Said criminal proceeding stop. However, the copy of said FIR is not furnished along with this criminal petition. Issue notice to the respondents as Mr. V. Zimomi, learned public prosecutor, is representing the state of Nagaland.
Lordship,
No separate notices be issued to the respondent number 1.
Lordship,
My lord.
However, the petitioner shall furnish the copies of the
We have already furnished. my lord.
petitioner.
Lordship, extra copies, Lordship. They need to serve one more extra.
All right.
Petitioner shall furnish requisite number of extra copies of the
Lordship.
petition to the respondent. To the respondent number
Number.
learned public prosecutor.
Lordship, I'll accept for respondent number 1. Lordship.
Respondent number who will who accepts the said copies for respondent number 1. As regards respondent number 2, the petitioner shall take steps for issuance of notices
By,
through-
by trustee as well as registered AD, my lord.
by registered or registers post with AD as well as through usual mode.
My
The
lord.
petitioner, what is the usual mode? It is,
My lord, by trustee service, my lord.
I'm ordering separately. The petitioner also prays for allowing them to serve the notice on respondent number 2 through trustee service.
Yes, the usual mode is registered AD, my lord.
The prayer is allowed. The petitioner shall take steps within 3 days from today.
My lord.
The notices are returnable on
The 2 weeks, my lord.
should I give a fixed date or
My lord.
after 2 weeks?
Lordship,
Lord.
after 2 weeks.
After
On
2
12th,
weeks.
on 12th, my lord.
No fixed date,
No,
My
no
lord.
fixed date.
after 2 weeks.
My lord. Applies, my lord.
Right.
Anticipatory does have.
Now, lordship. This anticipatory bail has been filed by the office bearers, my lord. The series of anticipatory bail applications, my lord. Of the Naga Club.
All these 6 petitions are similar.
Yes, my lord. They are all holding different capacities, different offices under the Naga Club,
You move one by one.
my lord.
Bail application number
Yes,
7
my lord. The annexures, my lord, as well as the facts,
are same.
yes, my lord, are same.
FIR is not with you.
FIR is not with me, my lord. However, my
Now-
lord,
Now, whether the question is, who is the petitioner in application number 7?
he is the president, my lord, of Naga Club.
Ola Jalins.
Yes, my lord. He has approached the honorable court in personal capacity, my lord.
Why he is approaching for?
Because, my lord, 3 persons, my lord, has already been arrested. And, my lord, there is reasonable apprehension that warrant of arrest may also be issued against them, my lord.
No, what is the basis of apprehension that you will be arrested?
Since, my lord,
Where is the basis? Where is your statement? In the anticipatory bail petition, where have you made statement that why are you apprehending arrest?
Now, Lordship, the facts are that, my lord, the building and land belongs to us, my lord. Now, the police as well as the NSF, my lord, it is common knowledge among the Naga public also, my lord, that the demolition was done, my lord, by the Naga Club.
That you are admitting.
We have stated that in the clarification, which we have served to the officer in charge, North Police Station also, my lord. And we have also annexed that document here, my lord. The next year came, my lord, page 33. At
No.
paragraph 8, my
No,
lord.
let me continue from the submissions which you made in the criminal petition.
My lord.
The building is yours.
Yes, my lord.
Naga Student Federation is your tenant,
Yes, my lord.
but you demolished the building without informing them. On their
We-
back, you demolished the building.
We, my lord, we have served them eviction notice, my
Okay.
lord.
Now,
On 2 occasions, my lord. And on
now
2,
a police case has been registered.
yes, my lord. And my lord, 3 persons have already been arrested, my lord. Now,
Where is the statement? Who has been arrested?
my lord, that statement is not here in this petition, but it has been learned after I came before this court that, my lord,
No, my only query is, why are you apprehending that you will be arrested?
my apprehension, my lord.
Where is the
Yes,
statement?
my lord. It is because, my lord, I am the president of
You
the
are the
Naga Club.
president.
Yes, my lord. And
No,
it
that
was,
I understand.
yes,
In
yes.
a petition under,
and it was
438.
on my direction, my lord. Those
The-
demolition, my lord.
has been,
Yes, my lord.
now why,
And my lord,
whether
the
police,
demolition process started, my lord, 3 weeks ago. It was not suddenly on the morning of
no,
27th,
Mr. Senti
my
Younger,
lord.
my query you are not getting. My query is, what made you apprehensive that you will be arrested? Whether police came to search, in your search, whether you were given any notice or somebody tried to arrest you,
My lord,
what is
those developments are not there till
the,
now.
or
my lord.
only because an FIR has been filed,
Yes,
you
my lord.
rush to this court?
Yes, my, and my lord, 3 persons have already been arrested. It is,
Three may be arrested.
it is, the news is
But
also
for
on the,
approaching this court under 438,
yes, my lord.
the main ground
Yes, my lord.
which you have to take
Yes,
is
my
that you
lord.
are apprehending arrest.
Yes, my lord. That I am, my lord. And my lord,
Now, where is the statement?
my lord, without filing of FIR also, if, my lord, I am apprehending
Yes,
arrest,
yes.
then, my lord, I can approach
You
this
can
honorable
approach,
court.
you can
Yes,
approach, but
yes,
where is that apprehension? No, don't show rulings.
my
You
lord.
show your statement in your petition where you have stated that because of this reason I am apprehending arrest.
That I have already stated, my
Which,
lord, in
where?
the facts, my lord.
Facts you have already narrated,
Yes, my lord.
but the specific statement in your petition where you have stated that because of this, I am apprehending that I may be arrested.
My lord.
Where is that statement? A simple statement would do. But there has to be a statement that you are apprehending arrest.
Yes,
It is not there.
my lord.
Is it there or not?
My lord, the fact that I have approached this honorable court under 438, my lord, it still shows that, my lord, that, my lord, I am apprehending arrest, because otherwise, why would I approach this honorable court, my lord? And the fact that, my lord, some people, my lord,
You
have
can,
already been
you
arrested,
can
my
amend
lord,
your petitions.
my lord.
But a statement has to be there that you are apprehending arrest.
My lord.
Unless merely by quoting this section of the criminal procedure code 438 would not do. You have to make a statement that you are apprehending arrest and
My lord.
therefore you are apprehending for these reasons. Then I will see whether reasons are
Reasonable or not.
justified
Yes, my lord.
to invoke my jurisdiction under 438 or not. But you have to mention reasons. What to do, Mr. Zimomi?
No, my lord. If, my lord, if in the event the applicant is arrested, then it would, my lord, perhaps, my lord, escalate the situation also, my lord. That present predicament that is.
No, you have
existing,
not
my lord.
answered my simple query. Is there any statement in the petition
Yes,
that
my
you
lord.
are apprehending arrest? I have not gone through the petition. You go through your petition properly. Is
My
there
lord.
any single word that you are apprehending arrest?
As I have stated, my lord.
Where?
My lord. The fact that, my
Para-
lord, I have
para?
approached, the fact that, my lord, I have approached this honorable court, my lord, by way of 438, my lord.
Which is the para?
It is implied, my lord, by reasonable implication, that I am apprehending arrest, and the fact that, my lord, people have already been arrested, my lord. Some people are already under custody, my lord, based on the FIR that was filed on 27/5/2023.
It is difficult for me to convince myself. Yes, Mr. Zimomi.
Yes, Lordship.
And my lord, this, in my humble opinion, my lord, is a dispute of civil nature.
Yes, that we will see in criminal petition.
Yes. Now, my lord, if at all the applicant is arrested, then, my lord, irreparable damage to his reputation will be,
No, that I understand.
yes.
But those things are to be mentioned in your petition, that you are apprehending arrest. And if arrest is made, these will be the consequences which you want to,
That, yes, I have stated in paragraph
a
9,
single line,
paragraph 9, my lord.
para 9.
Yes, my lord. That the applicant, page 11, my lord, begs to state that he has a good moral standing in the society, and his image in the society shall be irreparably tarnished if he is arrested in the present case.
Tomorrow police may come and say that we were never planning to arrest you. This,
But at this stage, my lord, that is also only a hypothetical situation, my lord. And another hypothetical situation is that, my lord, I may be arrested.
that I want, this line which
My
you
lord.
are uttering now, that I may be arrested.
Yes.
Where is that in your petition? That you may be arrested. It is only if that fear is there that you may be arrested, you can approach this court under 438.
My lord, I have categorically mentioned that if I am arrested, my lord,
Where?
in the present case, based on the vexatious FIR, my lord,
Page number?
page number 11, paragraph 9. It is bound to stigmatize me. Which stigma shall not only be borne by myself, but shall also fall heavily on the innocent members of my family.
No, these are actually the consequences which
Yes.
you are apprehending.
Yes.
But before that, the statement there has to be a statement that you are apprehending arrest. Okay, Mr. Zimomi, what?
Lordship has rightly pointed out, Lordship, so let him amend the petition, Lordship.
No, in the meanwhile, if he is arrested,
Then the purpose of filing this petition shall be frustrated. If your lordship so pleases, my lord, then my lord, if that particular sentence can be allowed to be entered by hand,
Will you be filing any objection against their?
Lordship, a short time may be given, Lordship, a short time.
Okay.
Since I have to take instruction.
Whether there is prayer for interim,
yes, my lord.
you surrender before, who is the investigating officer? Who is investigating this case?
Lordship, since they have not annexed the
You have not
FIR,
mentioned.
Lordship.
Where, in which police station this case has been registered?
My lord, my lord, from the information that I have received, I believe there was change of the IOs, my lord. One person was initially appointed after that. So the new incumbent IO, my lord, we have to take information for that.
Have you mentioned the police station's
Yes,
PS case number?
yes, my
Where?
lord.
In which para? You have mentioned it in your criminal petition,
Yes, my
but
lord.
whether you have mentioned it in this
Yes, in the
anticipatory,
prayer also I have mentioned, my lord,
where?
page 13, my lord. My lord, at page 8, my lord. Thereafter, a case was registered being Kohima North PS case number 21/2023 under sections 427, 428, 120B and 34 IPC.
How many police stations are there in Kohima?
North, south, my lord, and
Your, this Naga Club,
yes, my lord.
the house which belongs to Naga Club,
Yes, my lord.
falls within the jurisdiction of
North police station.
Kohima North Police Station.
Yes, my lord.
Heard Mr. Senti Younger, learned counsel for the petitioner, Shri Ulula Chali CA. How to pronounce it? Name
Kulachale.
Kula Chale,
Yes, Kulachale CE.
Kula Chali CA. Who is presently the president of Naga Club, Nagaland, Kohima. Who has filed this petition under section 438 CRPC, anticipating arrest in connection with Kohima not PS case number 21/2023 under section 427, 428, 120B, 34 IPC. The petitioner's case in brief is that the petitioner is an office bearer and presently holding the post of president of Naga Club, which is the owner of Naga Club building situated where it is situated.
Near all civil secretariat complex.
Where is the statement? Situated near old, yes, Mr. Santianger, near
All civil secretariat complex.
all civil secretariat. And just बाद में लिखते हैं. Stop. It is stated by the petitioner that the Naga Student Federation has where is the statement that the office of the Naga Student Federation is running from your building?
Followed at page 3,
Page 3.
yes, paragraph 2P.
नहीं, ये वाला काट दीजिए. There was a tenancy agreement between Naga Club in respect of Naga Club building between the Naga Club and Nagaland Student Federation, and to that effect, an agreement with Mr. Sentianger. Is there any agreement?
No agreement, my lord.
No such agreement.
No agreement.
Yes, there was only an order, my lord, which was passed on 7th of April 1983.
To that effect, an order Order of General Secretary Naga Club dated 7/4/1983 has been annexed with the petition. It is submitted by the learned counsel for the petitioner that the Naga Student Federation was invited on several occasions by the petition,
Yes,
by the Naga Club for a discussion regarding the Naga Club building. However, the Naga Student Federation avoided to attend those meetings,
Lordship.
and ultimately eviction notice were issued to the Naga Student Federation on,
12th July 2022.
you have annexed,
Yes, my lord, at page 24, annexure G.
eviction notice have been issued to Naga Student Federation by the Naga Club on 12 July 2020.
Which was received on 13 July 2022 by the president of the Naga Students Federation.
Yes, bring that, which was received by
The receipt also I have annexed.
however, in spite of that, the Naga Student Federation did not come forward for a discussion. Ultimately, the Naga Club decided to,
Another vacation notice was also served, my lord. After that also, my lord, on 6th of March 2023, which I have annexed at page 30, annexure I.
what was the last line? Decided to demolish the said building and for the purpose of for construction of a new building
Lordship.
at that spot. And in this regard, Naga Club has also obtained necessary building permission. You have
Yes, my lord, from the Kohima Municipal Council.
Kohima Municipal Corporation,
Council, my lord.
Kohima Municipal Council. It is further submitted by learned counsel for petitioner that India to avoid public inconvenience to local public, a portion of Naga Club building was demolished in the early morning of 27/5/2022. 23. As per decision of the office bearer of the Naga Club.
Yes.
However, it came to the notice, however, the petitioner later on petitioner and other office bearer of the Naga Club came to know about lodging of an FIR by the Nagaland Student Federation.
Naga Students Federation, my lord.
Sorry,
not Naga.
Naga Student Federation. Where is the statement regarding FIR? Which state, para?
Paragraph 2K, my lord. It starts from page 7.
2K.
Yes, my lord. It continues till page 8. So at page 8, it has been mentioned that the FIR has been filed.
However, Naga Student Federation it came to the notice of the office present petitioner as well as other office members of the Naga Club that Naga Student Federation has lodged an FIR before the officer in charge of North Police Station, Kohima, alleging that some unknown miscreants have vandalized their office, and on the basis of the said FIR, a Kohima North PS case number 21/23 under section 427, 428, 120B,
457, my lord.
457 you have not mentioned.
Yes, my lord. Typing error, my lord. Yes.
And 34 has been registered. It is also submitted by learned counsel that in this regard, already 3 persons have been arrested. Whether those 3 though who are already arrested belong to your Naga Club, office bearer of the Naga
No,
Club,
my lord.
arrested. And the present petitioner is also apprehending arrest
Mhm.
in connection with the said case. Hence, he has prayed for granting him anticipatory bail. On the other hand, learned public prosecutor, Mr. V. Zumomi, learned public prosecutor, submitted that he may be allowed some time to file objection
Lordship.
against the prayer for anticipatory bail by the present petitioner.
I'm allowed to take instruction and if any, will file an objection.
Prayer for. On the other hand, Mr. V. Zumomi, learned public prosecutor, submitted that he may be given some time to seek necessary instructions in
Lordship.
this regard,
Lordship.
and if necessary,
Lordship.
he may file an objection against the prayer of the petitioner.
Lordship.
I have learned counsel for the petitioner has also prayed for interim bail,
Lord.
interim anticipatory bail
Yes.
to the present petitioner, stating that the present petitioner, what is your reputation? You have stated something regarding,
Yes, my lord. I have a good standing in the society, my lord. I have deep roots, my lord, within the society, my lord. And I am, my lord, most willing to cooperate with the investigating agency, lordship.
stating
And
that he is
yes.
willing to cooperate with the investigating agencies.
Yes, my lord. And I am willing to obey any conditions
And
laid
in
down
the
by this
event-
honorable court.
and in the event of any arrest, his reputation would be irreparably damaged. Stop. In view of the submissions made by learned counsel for the petitioner as well as learned public prosecutor, the learned public prosecutor is granted 7 days time,
Lordship.
during which he will seek necessary instruction and he may file objection against the prayer for anticipatory bail
If any.
if so desired,
Lordship.
if so desired.
Lordship. If so.
Considering the facts and circumstances of this case, as stated in the anticipatory bail petition, the petitioner is directed to appear before the investigating officer of this case
My lord,
within 3 days
my lord,
from the date of this order
my lord,
and cooperate with the investigating officer.
my lord.
Before that, before this paragraph, after this, the time given to the public prosecutor, perusal of the case diary is felt necessary in this case. Hence, learned public prosecutor is directed to produce the case diary,
Lordship.
in this case on
Right.
7 days,
7 days will be. 5 of June 5. June 5, 7 days. So 60 will be this.
5th,
My lord.
Fifth.
on 5th of June. उसके बाद next paragraph, considering the he will investigation. Stop. If he does so within the time stipulated, comma, in the event of his arrest in connection with the said case, the arresting authority shall allow him to go on bail of rupees 20,000
my lord,
with one surety of like amount
my lord,
during the period till next date of this case, to the satisfaction of the arresting authority.
my lord.
Let this case be fixed again on 5th of June for case diary,
My lord,
for production of the case diary.
my lord.
Other cases are same.
Yes, my lord. Lordship, I may be allowed to file an additional affidavit, my lord. If I get a copy of the FIR, I also want to place it before this honorable court,
You may file.
my lord.
When do you want
Within 3 days, my lord.
learned counsel for what purpose?
My lord, for placing certain records, my lord.
Learned counsel, Mr. Sentianger, learned counsel for the petitioner. Praise for filing, allowing him to file additional affidavit to place on record certain documents relevant to this case,
My lord,
which is allowed.
my lord,
The prayer is allowed.
my lord,
Uske baad,
my lord.
in other cases,
We are all working under the same organization, under the same club.
all are the
Yes,
office bearers.
yes, my lord. All are office bearers. One is general secretaries, some are chairman working committee, some are secretary.
So in all cases, similar orders will be
My
passed.
lord, my lord,
All of them will surrender before the investigating
my lord.
officer within 3 days.
my lord,
And if you do so within stipulated time,
my lord.
you will be allowed to go on anticipatory bail by
Lordship.
the investigating officer
Lordship,
at the bail of rupees 20,000 in all cases.
my lord. Deeply obliged.